Hello guys, this is MIKEY here and welcome back to another video on the crypto. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the Taunt Battleworld, which is the world's first engage to earn NFT fighting game simulator. So without further ado, let's start the video. So basically, Taunt Battleworld is an exciting new game built on the blockchain where you own and manage mystical fighters on a quest to become champions of the whole universe. Acquire, develop and test your fighters against others in the great arenas of the Battleworld to gain favor with the old gods in the endless struggle. Okay, let's review the main website. Engage to earn, play, watch, predict. Acquire a one-of-a-kind acolyte warrior. Buy an acolyte through a blood money ceremony NFT drop. Acolytes fight for the old gods. Enter your newly acquired acolyte into a skill-based contest and tournaments. Brawls are simulated and decided by our proprietary algorithm. Engage to earn. Watch brawls and participate in prediction contests to earn prizes completely for free. 25,000 unique warriors. There will be only 25,000 Genesis acolyte warriors ever created. 5 races will be represented by 5,000 acolyte warriors in the Taunt Battleworld ecosystem. These fighters offer the lifeblood of the game and players will be rewarded by the old gods for holding these fighters through exclusive tournaments, multipliers on rewards and other unique ways. So, Taunt Battleworld is an auto battler fighting game with a unique vision to be the world's first engage to earn NFT game. In playing the game, you place fighters into the arena and watch them battle, similar to a 2D fighting game, but rather than control them directly, you choose their strategy. As they fight and win or lose, you earn from our ecosystem in multiple different ways. The first way is play to earn. Enter your own unique acolyte warriors into skill-based tournaments. Choose special powers, weapons and tournament types to give your acolyte the best chance to win. Players are rewarded by the old gods with various prizes or in-game items. In addition, the old gods love blood and high stakes. Play for keeps in special tournaments for your opponent's NFTs. The second way is watch to earn. Watch brawls and earn. Learn about the old gods with the community and get rewarded. The third way is predict to earn. Compete against others using your knowledge and wits in live prediction contests. With no monetary investment, grind your way to new NFTs. The fourth and final way is quickening. Players can take their acolytes and enter the Temple of Blood. There they can combine all the skills of the warriors to create new warriors to enter Battleworld. Okay, let's continue our tour on the website. Quickening. The old gods and their love sport Chaos have created a special process called the quickening, combining the genetic codes of 2 acolyte warriors to create a brand new warrior to join the fight. You never know who may show up in Battleworld. Taunt Battleworld is full of surprises. You never know who will take the challenge of the old gods and fight. So, Taunt Battleworld leverages the powerful technology of the blockchain and non-fungible tokens to create a new gaming experience. As the game's developers, they strongly believe in gameplay that encompasses cross-platform and cross-blockchain when possible. They want to bring Taunt Battleworld directly to their community. The initial NFT drop for Taunt Battleworld will be Genesis Skull Pass, which will live on Ethereum network. This will be done to allow for the greatest amount of adoption into the Taunt Battleworld. The game will also use the Polygon protocol to operate the blockchain components. This will allow for fast speeds, low transaction fees, and strong security. The fighting engine that presents all of the action of contests is being built using Unity engine. As the world's most widely used game engine, Unity allows the team to scale gameplay cross-platform through mobile, PC, and any other platforms quickly. Ultimately, their goal is that you will be able to play Taunt Battleworld on whichever platform you prefer. Okay, as a final step, let's take a look at the roadmap. Q1 2022 Community Building, Race God Reveal, Whitelisting for Genesis Skull Pass, Genesis Skull Pass Gameplay Teaser Release, Genesis Skull Pass Presale, First Developer AMA and Live Stream. Blood Money Genesis, first Blood Money ceremony, NFT drop of 2,500 Genesis fighters, Acolyte Warriors reveal. End of Q1 2022. Game soft launch, multiplayer brawls, featured tournament series, developer sponsored prize pools, Q2 2022. Blood Money preseason, second Blood Money ceremony and NFT drop of Genesis fighters, licensed IP announcement, version 2 gameplay teaser and features reveal. Blood Money brawls, Q3 2022. Game version 2 launch, engage and earn, skull pass preseason release, weapons and construct teaser, Q3 2022. Game version 2.1, Blood Money 1, weapons and construct launch, do or die tournaments, quickening breeding teaser, Q4 2022 and beyond. Only the gods know. Solo missions, campaign mode, cross blockchain play, Blood Temples launch, World Championship announcement. Okay, we are done here and that's it for today's video. As always, do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure hit that subscribe and like button. It can help me a lot. And with that being said, see you guys in the next video.